This is a test of the emergency alert system.
2 minutes early.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast in your area. Equipment is being tested that can quickly warn you during emergencies. If this had been an actual emergency, such as a civil or weather emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tones. This station serves the Fredericksburg operational area. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. This concludes the alert system.
Did they just say that twice? Congratulations! You fucked up! Oh well, they tested a minute early. Props to you, actually. You did it right for once.